Thank you, everyone. Moving forward, let's delve into the survey results, starting with the executive summary and methodology behind some of the survey results. So, in general, when looking at the results from a high level, there is in fact increased optimism and momentum among business professionals on the state of the economy and IT industry, which will continue to be strong. And as you'll see, some of that as we move forward, as we discuss the results. However, just like with every year, there's a number of environmental concerns that loom in the form of evolving rules and regulations, government indecision, and increased competition. In regards to how we received respondents for this survey, we once again relied on an integrated approach, including direct email marketing to both internal and external lists bought through associations, some limited website advertising, events, social media outreach and advertising, and other avenues such as telemarketing. As you can see, the majority came through email, with social media being the second largest contributor. This year, while survey responses were up across the board, the majority of responses came from the United States, accounting for 82% of the survey response. While in general, this might make other geographies look like they went down percentage-wise, quantitatively, from a quantitative perspective, they either went up or stayed the same. As you can see, in terms of jobs held, the majority of responses came from the developer side of the spectrum, with the project management section also seeing a strong showing. In terms of education, close to 90% of survey respondents claim to have completed work in at least a bachelor's degree program, and that includes bachelor's, master's, and postgraduates. Essentially, the majority of responses came from college degree holders, similar to last year. However, while we are seeing more college graduates, we're also seeing less in terms of certification. And a variety of reasons could potentially account for that, including individuals going back to school. Nevertheless, 35% of respondents claim to have at least one Microsoft certification. That's the highest number we saw. In reference to company sizes, the majority of individuals claim to have worked in mid and large-sized companies, making the lion's share of responses. And this is based off of standards set within the Small Business Administration organization. Finally, we come down to industry classification, which goes along the lines of how we within the organization classify clients. And as you can see, the majority of clients came within the financial services industry, with 26% of responses followed by the technology field, which is the second highest response.